Since the case, XRP has seen tremendous movement. This coin has the ability to, according to specialists, it has the potential to perform miracles. You want to learn more? You'll have to wait until the end to find out. Hello, everyone. Thank you for returning. In today's video, we'll go over everything you need to know about XRP and its future. But before we begin, make certain that all are enabled. Keep your notifications turned on for our channel to stay up to date on all the latest secrets in the world of XRP. The market opinion is that Ripple is now moving in the right direction. According to CoinCodex's XRP price analysis, 27 indicators are giving positive signals and 1 is producing negative signals. According to Digital Coin's forecast, the price of Bitcoin will average $2.17 in 2022 and $3.94 in 2025. According to the forecast, it could reach $4.46 on average by 2026. It's rather fascinating. It's fascinating to observe how the currency has evolved over time using technical analysis. The XRP coin entered the crypto market at a low price of $0.0058 and has remained there for several months. Then, in 2017, word spread about Ripple's network joining with Tokyo Mitsubishi Bank, radically altering the course of this historic platform. The end of December 2017 was a challenging moment for XRP, as it was pulled down by Bitcoin and other well-known cryptocurrencies. XRP, on the other hand, reappeared following the February 2018 markets, displaying price stability, market cap stability, and a proactive market mood. The currency was devalued in January 2020. The trader was trading at a market value of $0.25 with a market capitalization of $9,206,907,569. Price trend and last year's price prediction, according to historical data. Later, the Ripple cryptocurrency gained popularity. In addition, the price of XRP has risen beyond $0.25, reaching its barrier level. Ripple's price increased by more than 150% from its inception and the beginning of March 2020, when it was trading at roughly $0.35. However, it did not continue as the price began to plummet after that, falling to $0.15 by the end of the quarter in March. Surprisingly, the Ripple price has recovered. Despite a pandemic sweeping across the globe, the event took place in April 2020 and had record pricing. It is still striving to compete with top-tier cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others. Furthermore, according to last year's XRP price estimate, Ripple cryptocurrency may maintain its current position and price range in the near future, making it an excellent investment opportunity. The Ripple network outperforms the traditional SWIFT system in terms of speed. Ripple transactions, for example, can be completed in 4 to 5 seconds, whereas traditional banking can take 2 to 3 business days to recover from a loss. Transactions using Ripple are also significantly less expensive. According to Forbes, Ripple only charges a fraction of XRP as a fee, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as a fee, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as a fee, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as a fee, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as a fee, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as a fee, as they only charge a fraction of XRP as. It turns out that it was designed to replace the old SWIFT network, and it's doing a very good job at it. Moving on to the 2021 XRP projection, the XRP price chart shows how volatile this cryptocurrency can be. Has been so far. If you look back to December 2017, you'll notice a massive price spike. The following month, this occurred. XRP price has surged by 1,257% in just a few weeks. Many analysts and investors are predicting that the price will continue to increase as high as it pleases. Unfortunately, this was not to be, and the price began to plummet after reaching $3.3. Since reaching all-time highs in January 2018, the price of XRP has progressively declined to the levels seen today. While there have been a few bullish bursts along the way, such as in September 2018 and December 2020, XRP has underperformed since those highs. One of the primary reasons why the XRP price is active is the ongoing SEC litigation against Ripple. It hasn't done as well. A lawsuit has been filed against CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson, who are suspected of selling unregistered securities worth more than $1.38 billion. This case has been underway since December 2020, and it has had a negative impact on the price of XRP. However, the price of XRP soared by nearly 145% in less than a month in July 2021, demonstrating some positive momentum. Many market analysts anticipate that XRP will recover to its prior highs, and that prices will surge even higher during this bull run. As of October 19, 2021, the price of XRP was $1.09, as newfound hope in XRP holders comes from the ongoing SEC vs XRP case. According to the most recent case information, the SEC is requesting a 2-month extension. Given the level of volatility involved, predicting or providing long-term or short-term projections about the fate of a cryptocurrency asset has always been difficult, even for the finest of specialists or the trader community. These noteworthy posts, as well as the XRP forecast, should not be neglected. Let's look at some of the most credible publications and investors to see what we can glean from their claims. About Ripple Price Forecast Market Haven, a cryptocurrency asset prediction tool, has published an aiming for an ambitious positive prognosis for 2020, stating that 2021 would be a perfect year for Ripple Haven for investing. They predict that the price of this crypto asset will climb. It might hit $20 by 2021, according to XRP, which claims to have the highest capacity of any cryptocurrency. As stated by in other Ripple currency news, the coming years will appear to be a nice period for Ripple as alliances and rising technologies will be extended, raising its price to $8 to $10. According to Oracle Times, XRP/USD may increase by up to 2,000%, and XRP would only be sustainable if Ripple was the best option for financial institutions to perform cross-border payments. According to all of these XRP price forecasts, the vast majority of people believe Ripple will never reach $10. $5, on the other hand, is a reasonable price. The worth of $5 will gradually increase. This translates to a 15x ROI, which is amazing. Ripple was recently involved in an SEC squabble. However, after gaining access to internal SEC records, Ripple's price surged and even crossed the $1 mark. Wallet investing analysts anticipated last year that the price of XRP will cross $0.6 by the end of 2021. However, it has already reached the $1 mark and is continuing to rise. The new coalitions and institutional support for Ripple will enhance its price forecast. XRP is expected to reach a high of $1.9, with a probable retest of the $0.60 price barrier on the downside. Some of the world's largest investing firms have backed the Ripple pricing. And the amount of collaborations and events with crypto businesses shows that many people are interested in and believe in the currency. XRP is predicted to make a considerable improvement before the end of the year, surpassing its previous all-time high price of $3.84, unlike other big coins like as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple's price may rise in 2023, according to a long-term realistic XRP price prediction, due to a lot of innovations and partnerships in the company's plans. Ripple's price might soar to around $4, its previous all-time high. According to short and long-term technical analysis, as well as Ripple price projections, the cryptocurrency price in 2024 might be about $5, as it was created to replace fiat currency. If XRP is adopted, the coin may enjoy a bull run, with the XRP value rising. In the long run, prices will increase. XRP has been highlighted as a bright game for optimism in the long term, which is the next 5 years, according to the Ripple price forecast, with prices hanging around $4, $8. Predicting a price level in the middle of these ranges is the most practical technique. The future of XRP as a cheap and convenient digital asset. It is possible that extensive use will set it off. In the long run, the price could reach a minimum of $6 in the next 5 years. XRP has recently benefited from the Senate's decision to veto proposed legislation that would have severely controlled the cryptocurrency industry. When the Senate blocked it, the market soared, with cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Ethereum, and Cardano benefiting. Furthermore, the Senate's vote against it shows that governments are warming to the idea of digital currencies, which is wonderful news for the future. That being said, we have reached the end of the video. We also wish to inform you that, please keep in mind that this video is just for amusement purposes and does not provide financial advice. Before investing, it is generally a good idea to conduct extensive study. If you like to watch the video, like it, and share your thoughts in the comments area below. Until then, I'll see you with another video. Bye.